Good afternoon, mamas. It's a lovely day today here in Oklahoma City. So I just have to take a couple hours off to walk around the garden and to see if the gardening works. There's a lot of gardening work to do, but see what I can get done in an hour. And such a lovely day that went to Lowe's after the gym and spent some time there to pick up roses that they have year around February. Wonderful heirloom roses for a great deal. I show you what I got. Nothing new, just repeats of what I love. But before we do that, let's go ahead and take a walk around the garden. I didn't really get to finish my second cup of coffee because I had to rush to the gym after. So let's go. Let's take a beautiful day. I'm actually trying a new thing. Is I am using a tripod. So hopefully the cameras will be more. But what do you guys think? Is this rose? I actually forgot to water her over the winter and mulch her and protected her during the freeze and snow. So I understand if she's angry at me and wanted to die. With that being said, I did pick more. These are Earth Angel heirloom roses, and I love them. I love them. They have some greens on them, so I think the possibility of that still being alive is good. Maybe she just needs a haircut or two. I trim her in some. Oh my goodness, this is a mess. Actually, don't you think this is a mess? Oh, it is a mess. The pool is a mess. Everything. So much work, stressing me out. And I think these boxwood are goners. This place area has bad drainage. So we'll see. I'll order garden arbors this year because those really took a beating with the storms towards the end of the season. But most of the stuff have died. Ooh, bad camera. Set my coffee down so I can do some gardening work. But since I'm here, might as well uncover that. I'll have to put you down. Okay. Temporary garden bed blanket didn't quite work, but look at this. The arugula is still good. The kale is still alive. The fava beans, they died. Oh my goodness. I'm going to water the garden. Water those that survive. Arugula. I think this is arugula or radish. Yuck. It's radish. So my radish is basically died. Oh, look at that poor dinosaur kale. I was going to stick it and I totally forgot. Oh, poor guy. So I don't have a lot of time, just taking a little bit here and there, walking around the garden. And there's always work to do when you walk around the garden. Always. I can't spend too much time on this today. I gotta get ready to go to work. And I really want to water the winter survivor plants. The strawberries and all. Everything's basically dead here. Dead. The yarrows are upset. This boxwood, I think it's dead. It's like a death count. See that? I think those are poppies. Let's take a look. I think maybe poppy, right? I'm pretty sure most of these are poppies, which mean they may die with another snowstorms. So I may spread some of poppy seeds and see. Yucky hole. Yep, I'm pretty sure that's a poppy seedling. Hi, don't move, just trip me. All right, nice. Oh Lord, are those garlic or onions? And yeah, believe some canine have been digging. Do you guys see this? But I think that might be garlic. I can't remember if I planted those or my mom planted those. Poop, all yellow, dog run. This is Oklahoma in the wintertime. Everything's yellow, including this questionable boxwood. They probably just need to clean up and then they'll have another production. My rosemary, I don't know if that's a goner or not. I don't have time to tend to it today. Well, this one is definitely a goner. What else do we have to do? Much. But that's Heidi. She's trying to chase the shadows and reflection. So she's pretty busy right now, chasing the shadow of the camera equipment. But yeah, faucet froze and made a mess. So hoses, so I need to replace the hoses. So I'm going to do that today. And look, part of my purchases, I couldn't resist myself. I can't help myself. I told myself I'm not gonna buy any more flowers this year, and yet here they are, waiting to be planted. And today, I definitely need to get the sweet peas in because I want spring flowers and I love sweet peas, and I did not do in the fall. So these are all that I have left. So I may go on Amazon and order more sweet peas. But this is a must, y'all. Just plant sweet peas in your garden everywhere. They're very tall, so they will need support. Love them. It's just so beautiful, and the fragrance is so delicious. I mean, walk by it, it just smells so good. Makes your garden smell really amazing in the spring to even early summer, especially if you have a dog poop area like ours. Dude, it stank. So I need smelly good stuff to counter that. So I plan to see all the strawberries. I'm hopeful. Use them as ground covers in this bed. So I'm hoping to get lots of strawberries this year, but we'll see. Lots of poppies. So I forgot to sow some poppies this fall. So I guess I don't have to. But most likely these seedlings may not survive the anticipating snowstorm that we're supposed to get one more before the winter ends. So I may, on my spare hot today. Also, my phone just got overheated and it needs a break. So I'm using my mom's phone. Where were we? While my phone is resting and cooling down. Oh yeah, do plan to pop in the rest of the sweet pea seeds along the fence, and it'll grow really smells good. Along with that, I'll also next month or in a few weeks we'll pop in some sugar snap peas, and I love those, and they'll be so pretty up and it smells so good. And I'll make sure that everybody knows not to eat the hairy pods, because those are sweet pea pods, they're poisonous. Just eat the good looking pea pods, because those are delicious and healthy. But lots of poppies coming up here. Heidi and Axel is waiting for their friend to come out from us, and they are just bark and act like a fool. I think that's it. We didn't take down the Christmas stuff yet. It's been too cold, but today is perfect to work out in the yard. But I only have, now I have like 30 minutes left to do essentials that I wanted to get done in the garden before I go to work. And hopefully I have some time to wrap up more gardening chores today after work. But here we are on a really nice sunny day. Low 80s in the middle of winter in Oklahoma City, Mustang, Oklahoma City. Go ahead and get the gardening chores done. Switching out the hose and fix my hose thingy. I can water the garden and oops, sorry guys, I'm all discombobulated. So all these pots, they were seeded with spinach, didn't make it. The kale didn't make it, forgot to cover her. And these are the roses. I'm so excited. Okay, so I waited for Lowe's to get these roses in, and this year is a new one that I did not get last year. Was, I cannot pronounce this word, but it's one of my favorite roses. I have two on the fence right now. It's a Saffron Dalpin. I don't know. I have to use Google Translate or Google pronunciation later. But they're angels. I decided to pick up a lot. So this year's specials, I don't know why they have this for the same price. You get 2 plants in one. So that's my HVAC unit getting up. And I got some lilac and some viburnum. Thank dogs. Alright. And I'm too lazy to lift this up to show you guys, but I need to water that too. We have a good salad bed going on in there. But that's it. I can't wait to get these planted. I don't know where to put them yet. The climbing roses will be going along the fence. And these, I think I may put some in the front yard and then some potted, since I have so many. I have like 6 there, 2 in each. So I might divide them or I might keep them together so make a huge plant. And I might have to replace the one that I have in the pots right now because I forgot to water them over the winter, so they may die. And these lilacs, I think I'm gonna plant them somewhere along the fence. The lilac and the viburnum. Oh my gosh. All right, lots of work to do.